How do I get rid of air in my water pipes?
Hello everyone! Today, we are going to learn about an issue you may face at home: air trapped in your water pipes. This can cause a number of issues, including inconsistent water pressure, strange noises, and even damage to your pipes over time. But fear not. I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to help you get rid of the air in your water pipes and restore them to their optimal function.
How does air get into water pipes?
Before we start with the solution, let's briefly talk about why and how air gets into your water pipes. Air can enter your pipes in several ways, including through leaks, changes in temperature, or during repairs or installations. Understanding how air gets in can help you avoid this problem in the future.
What you'll need.
To execute this task, you will need a few basic things: access to your home's main water supply valve, a container to catch any water that might spill, patience. It's a relatively simple process, but it might take some time.
The process of removing air from water pipes.
Now let's get down to the process of removing the air from your water pipes. 1. Locate the main water supply valve. It's usually in the basement, the garage, or outside the house. 2. Turn off the main water supply valve. This will stop the flow of water and make the process easier. 3. Open all of the water outlets in your home. This includes faucets, showers, and even outdoor hoses. Start from the lowest floor and move up to the highest. 4. Allow the water to drain out completely. This will force the air out of your pipes along with the water. 5. Turn the main water supply back on. Water will start to flow back into your pipes, pushing out any remaining air. 6. Close the water outlets one at a time, starting from the lowest floor moving up to the highest. As each outlet is turned off, you should see the water flow return to normal. 7. Check for signs of remaining air in your pipes. If you still hear gurgling noises or experience inconsistent water pressure, you may need to repeat the process. Remember, safety first. If at any point you're not comfortable performing these tasks, don't hesitate to call a professional. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively remove air from your water pipes. It's a simple, do-it-yourself process that can save you from potential plumbing issues down the line. Thank you for watching, and remember, understanding and maintaining your home's plumbing can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. If this video has been helpful, do let us know. Stay tuned for more helpful videos like this, and take care.